Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, customer support tools need to be simple, connected, and effective. HubSpot Service Hub is built to make support easier for growing businesses. Let's break it down. HubSpot Service Hub brings ticketing, live chat, knowledge base, and customer feedback tools into one platform. It connects seamlessly with HubSpot CRM, giving teams a full view of every customer interaction. With automation, reporting, and an easy-to-use interface, Service Hub helps team resolve issues faster while improving customer satisfaction. HubSpot Service Hub focuses on simple, connected, and scalable customer support. If you want an easy-to-use support platform in 2025, HubSpot Service Hub delivers clarity, efficiency, and better customer experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.